In this video, we'll show you how you can scan QR code from a photo or a screenshot on your Android phone. So on most Android phones, you will have Google Photos pre-installed. So all you have to do is simply open the QR code. If you don't have it here already, you can also capture a screenshot and then open that screenshot in the Google Photos. Once you have the image with the QR code open, simply swipe up and it will bring up this particular menu. Now here select this search option, that is search Google Lens, and it will immediately scan the QR code. So as you can see, this is a QR code for YouTube's website. If I scroll up, I can also copy the URL or simply open it from here. Now if you have a gallery app pre-installed like Samsung Gallery for instance, you can do something similar. So in Samsung Gallery, you can simply long press on the QR code and it will immediately scan it. So as you can see, it is for the same YouTube app homepage. So I can copy the link from here. So this is how you can easily scan QR code from a photo or an image.